this video, I will show you how to crochet the cherry keychain. It's very easy and simple to make. This one I use 4-ply cotton yarn and 2.5mm crochet hook. Before you begin, create a magic circle. Yarn over, pull through. Chain 1 and then crochet 6 single crochets. Insert. Yarn over, pull through. 1 single crochet. Insert yarn over, pull through. 2 single crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we will close this one. Now we will join the round. This is the round 1. The first single crochet is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6th one is the first single crochet. This one is slip stitch. And then we will crochet the round 2. Chain 1 and then we will crochet single crochet increase. So insert here. 1 single crochet and we will crochet 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. 1, 2. Next, also 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. 1, 2. We call single crochet increase. Next one. 1, 2. We will do this all the way around. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. The last one also the same. 1 and 2. And to join the round, we will do slip stitch, same as the round 1. At the top of the first single crochet, a slip stitch. There you go. And then we will crochet the 3rd round, chain 1. This one we will crochet 1 single crochet and the next stitch we will increase. 1, 2, so increase. We will keep repeating this set 1 single crochet and increase all the way around until the end, and we will have 6 times total. So this one first time, single crochet, increase, 2 times, single crochet and then increase, 3 times, single crochet and increase, 4 times, single crochet and increase, 5 times, single crochet and increase, 6 times. Join around a slip stitch. There you go. This creates the third round, and the round 4 we will not increase. So chain 1, we will crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep continuing until the end. Now I am at the end of the round 4. I have 18 single crochets, and now we will join around a slip stitch. There you go. For the round 5 and the round 6, keep repeating from the round 4 process. Now I have finished with the round 6, and then the round 7 we will decrease. So decrease, chain 1. We will decrease by crochet 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochets together. So this one and another one. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. So this one, single crochet, decrease. We will keep repeat this set for 6 times total. Single crochet and decrease. 2 times. Single crochet and decrease. 3 times. Single crochet and decrease. Single crochet and then decrease. Single crochet and then decrease, and then join around slip stitch. Now we need to put polyester inside. Next will be the round 8. Chain 1 and then decrease. We will do the decrease for all the way around for 6 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and then a slip stitch. There you go. So we will skip 1 stitch and do it another stitch. Skip 1 and crochet in the next one. Skip this and do another one. And then pull it. We need this for 2. Now I have 2 of them. Then next we will crochet the leaf. Create a slip knot. and then crochet the chain 15, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. Keep continuing until you get chain 15. Now I have chain 15 and then crochet, single crochet in the second chain from hook, first and then second. Single crochet and then crochet half double crochet, yarn over, insert in the next stitch, grab the yarn. Now 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through, half double crochet. Next crochet, double crochet, yarn over, insert in the next stitch, grab the yarn. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops left, double crochet. We need 1 more, double crochet. So we get 2 double crochets. And then crochet half double crochet. Next one, single crochet. And then crochet 2 slip stitches. 1, 2. Next, we'll be repeating from this process. Remember, single crochet and then half double crochet, next double crochet, another one double crochet, and then half double crochet. Next one, single crochet. There you go. And then chain 2, 1, 2. We will crochet the opposite direction. Repeat the same process. This one will be single crochet and then half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, and then 1 more double crochet, half double crochet, next single crochet, and then in the middle 2 slip stitches, 1, 2, and then single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and then half double crochet, single crochet, and then chain 2. Now the leaf is finished, and then we will crochet the string to join these two of it. So this one I will leave the tail for sewing, so I will leave it around its size. Create a slip knot, chain 1, 2, 3, keep continuing. Now I have chain 60, cut the yarn off, have the same tail, and then I will add to the leaf. So for this one we will insert at the A slip stitch point. And another A slip stitch hole. And then we will add to the cherries. Add to the top the round 8. And then you can adjust. This one will be for the keychain. Now you have finished with the cherry keychain.